What is up, guys? I'm doing another video here on EarnHub. I've done quite a few videos on them, but it's because I truly believe in the team and the project. I'm a big fan of the passive income and the Anyflect system that they've built from the ground up. A lot of the staking pools have really high APYs. Obviously, those come down as more people start staking their coins. They really relaunched and went live in trading on the 16th. So I wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of how it's going for me. Everything's been working solid. Big fan. Again, it's still early on in the project. Only it looks like 5,900 addresses or holders since they launched as EarnHub and not Safe Earn. A lot of people talking about that Anyflect, and if you were an early adopter and upgrader, then 40% is what you're getting off of that system going on right now. So yeah, guys, I mean, again, I'm a big fan of EarnHub. Right now this wallet shows 0 because that's, again, my demo wallet, not much or anything in there. But yeah, take a look at the project. Again, not financial advice, just my personal opinion, and I'm just kind of giving you guys my journey with EarnHub and Ada Cash and some of the cryptos that they're partnering with, and also SafeMoon and some of the other ones that I'm a big fan of, or at least I'm diversifying my portfolio with. So don't take my financial advice. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you guys are doing on EarnHub. Like, again, I keep seeing some of these gains, and they're pretty insane. It's really awesome to see that. Finding good teams, pairing them with, like a good project and a strong community that supports the team, allows for good things like this to happen. Hopefully the project continues to grow. Hopefully more things are to come from it. They're very communicative on Twitter. I know that they really say, like, if you got to open a ticket, don't necessarily put your information, of course, on Twitter. They have ways of getting a hold of them if you're having some trouble with some of the system within using dApps and things like that. But again, they're very communicative. I've had an opportunity to speak with a few of them, a few of the team members. The community is super humble as well. Some SafeMoon holders, my name on there is like SafeMoon David as on my Twitter. So when I was asking some questions, they were very cool and down to earth. So big fan of that community. Big, I feel a part of that community. So I hope to continue to answer some questions and be a part of, like, some of the things and environment of a good, solid conversation about what the project's bringing together for the future. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you hold any EarnHub. If you have a question about it, I'd be more than happy to answer it if I know the answer. If not, I try to hop into some of the communities to ask some of the questions we may have about what's going on or what's working, what's not working. But again, appreciate the support, guys. This was a little bit of a quick video. I apologize I haven't been making too many videos. Tesla has had me very busy. So I've been at work. Obviously, I work at Tesla, so it takes up most of it's my 9 to 5, so it takes up most of my time. But yeah, guys, definitely appreciate the subscribers. If you can, comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer some of those questions. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.